guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm going to be discussing some things, right? So some tips step by step. I'm giving you some examples and also I'm telling you how to do it. So I was thinking about to do this video because these days it is very essential for you guys. So I hope you will enjoy my video. So today I'm going to be discussing with you guys how to change the font face of a selected text, how to change the font size, how to change the case of a selected text, how to add shapes to the presentation, and how to type on shapes. Right. First, I would like to discuss about how to change the font face of a selected text. How to change the font face. The font face means the face of a font. Now, when you type something, you can select it, and you can change the font face, right? So you can go to this little icon and you can click on it. Then you can click on it. Then you can select some font faces, right? Then you can just see that the letters, the font faces it is very different more than the earlier font face. The font face is changing by selecting a font face. Well, let's go to an example. Well, right, you can select a text. Now here, let me put the standard one. I'll make it more big, I'll make it more small, right? Then here you can go to this place, then click on this little arrow, then you can select, right? That is your choice. You can choose any. It is your choice, right? Remember that. This is beautiful. I would like to choose that. So that is what we call changing the font face. Right. Let's go to the next fact. Next, we're learning how to change the font size. You know how to change the font size, right? So, let me make it more big. Right. You can go to the toolbar as in the same box, in the font toolbox. You can go there and you can use this one. You should select a text, then you can click on this arrow, then you can select some their sizes, right? Or you can increase the size or decrease the size from these two icons too, right? So let me go to an example. Now see, first I type something, then I selected it, then I can go to this place, then I can minimize it, I can decrease the size or increase the size. Or from these two icons also we can increase the sizes without stopping. You can decrease the size like this. Okay, let's go to the next fact. We have how to change the case of a selected text. Oh, I would like to do that. how to change the case of a selected text. So when you are changing the case, first you should know what is a case mean, right? Then you can go to this place, then you can just select what you want to do, right? Okay, let us go to an example. Go there without telling me. Go there without telling me. Right now here I type. Let me type this. Go capital, right? Go there. Then you should select it. Then sentence case means that you should start it from the beginning should be capital. Lower case means simple letters. Upper case means capital letters. All are capital letters. Capitalize each word means the first word of the first letter of a word of each word is capital. And toggle case means the opposite of the way that you have typed. Now I type like this, no, G capital or simple, then it becomes O becomes capital and G becomes simple. The other ones also I typed them from simple, so they have been capital now. So I hope you guys remembered it, right? Let's go to the next fact. Next we have how to add shapes to the presentation, right? How to add shapes to the presentation. So if you want to add a shape here in the drawing toolbox, now we learned about font toolbox. Now we're going to go to the drawing toolbox. Shapes, you can select some shapes, right? Here I have drawn them. You can rotate them from this little green dot, right? Or you can go to this place called insert, then you can go to this box called shape, then you can select shapes, right? Then let us go to the next one. How to type on shapes. How to type on shapes. There are two different ways to type on shapes. First, let's go to the example. First, you should draw and insert a picture. First, you should insert a picture. Then you can go to the same place, shapes, and here this icon. Then click on it. Then say good morning. Let me write it. Good morning. Let's select it. Let us make it more big. Right. Okay. Shit. Now it's okay. Right, like this, or now, or let me make it more smaller, right? It is not clear, but I have to do it. I hope you guys can see this. This is one example. And the next one is, again I should draw a shape here, right? To show an the other example, go to the toolbar called insert. Then here you have the toolbox called text, then go to text box. The same thing you have to do, draw on it, then you can type, right? Remember that. No, now so you can do the same things that we did, right? You can change the color of the letters, right? Okay, that's all for today, right? Hope you guys enjoyed my video. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.